This is a sample of Vero Magenta printed on a PolyJet Stratasys printer, and the impact resistance could be improved. So let's check out first how this material performs. This is a 1/2 kilogram steel ball dropped from 250 millimeters. It didn't survive. But now on the same printers on PolyJet, we now have ToughONE available right now in white. And with that material, let's see how it fares with the same material, same ball, dropped from the same height. Reload here. This is ToughONE, and it survives just fine. Can we go higher? Let's try that again. Same sample here. Same ball, dropped from a higher height. This is about 300 millimeters, and it works just fine. ToughONE now available on Stratasys PolyJet printers.